Friends, 14th March 2025 is World Sleep Day. World Sleep Day signifies that we need to emphasize on sleep, sleep patterns, rejuvenation of life every day at night so that you're good enough, repaired all night to be able to work the whole day. But what happens to sleep in elderly people? In people beyond 50s to 60s, that's the age group. There's a huge transition in sleep patterns. And the sleep patterns are such that the sleep gradually goes down and down and down. So you have lesser number of hours of sleep at night. And number two, the sleep is still much milder. But you would wake up with the smallest of stimulus. But why am I speaking on a urological platform on sleep? Only because there's a topic called nocturia. Nocturia is a topic which you see there is all about getting up multiple times at night. So you get up multiple times at night in nocturia is all about passing more than 1 to 2 times at night, which means sleep being mild in the evening of life or in elderly people, and the urine production getting more and more from the kidneys comes to the bladder, which has to be emptied by us. And at night time or the nighttime luts is all about getting up multiple times at night for our fathers, grandfathers, our mothers, grandmothers, and all senior people in the society and the country. Sadly, they don't speak. They are bothered about it all their nights, whereas everybody else snows the whole night. At home, they are waiting for the day break to happen and they would get up and finally be awake. But the whole night they're getting up multiple times at night. Many of them actually fall down. Many of them have got trouble. So, friends, we are talking about the state called nocturia. So, on the World Sleep Day, the motto is sleep well, nurture life. A sleep rhythm should be such that it rejuvenates and repairs you rather than the broken, punctuated sleeps, which is sadly a gift of elderly people. So, all elderly people have got lesser sleep, more urine production at night, and more so if you are diabetic, more so if you continue to drink tea, coffee, alcohol, milk, water whole night, you're awake the whole night. So changes are ubiquitous, changes are happening. It happens to all societies. People do complain. And many a times you have labeled it as prostatism and treated the prostates for that. Women don't have prostate and they also get through nocturia, sometimes nocturnal enuresis or bedwetting too. So, friends, this important platform of World Sleep Day, 14th March 2025, comes with an understanding that many of us who get up multiple times at night because of nocturia, more so nocturnal polyuria, excessive production of urine at night, is treatable and curable. Why not use this attempt to get yourself treated and cured if you get up multiple times at night, which is huge amount of bother for you for tomorrows and all your tomorrows, which are daytimes when you go to work, when you need to be active and in rhythm. You're not so because you're somnolent, you're sleepy, your performance is below par because you're getting up multiple times at night. So, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, uncontrolled diabetes insipidus, issues of estrogen deficiency, polydipsia, sleep ignorance, and probably sleep pattern disturbances called insomnia, and all about the prostate issues, overactive bladder issues, issues of diabetes where urine production is more, all contributes some way or the other to more and more urine production at night. Friends, nocturia is treatable, nocturia is curable. I always keep telling that bedwetting is treatable and bedwetting is curable. We miss out on that. Many mothers who have children between 6 to 15 years forget that bedwetting is unfortunately a common part of many children who are shy, who are morally down, who are getting scolded when they get up in the morning. They are bedwetting every night or few nights per week or sometimes twice even in a night and they miss it out. So sleep patterns matter a lot for your repair rejuvenation in all age groups. 6 to 15 years children whom we label as bedwetting or enuresis, or 55 to 75-year elderly men who progressively are getting nocturia as a gift of life, which is only worsening their quality of life the daytime because the nights are already in trouble. Friends, today on the World Sleep Day, we again pledge together that we will look at patterns, behavioral changes, therapies, treatments, and therefore, with the Nocturia and Bedwetting Clinic as a part of very ingrained urological clinic at the Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital in the second floor on the Department of Urology, I look forward to enthusing the society to be coming forward. If you are waking up multiple times at night, if your child is bedwetting or you're bedwetting, why live with this agony and silently forever? It's treatable and curable. There are medicines, there are therapies, there are ways forward which a urologist is interested, a pediatrician is interested, a pediatric surgeon is interested, and all of us are on the same boat. We're going to look into how we can take this lineage forward to the next possible level. So, friends, World Sleep Day comes again to make you reminded that you sleep better, you rejuvenate life, you live longer and better. To live longer and better, you got to live every day rather than live in somnolence and live in deficient kind of performance with yourself. Therefore, don't take nocturia, don't take bedwetting, don't take quality of life issues lightly. Take them to the highest possible level. Treat yourself, cure yourself, and be cured. Nocturia is treatable, bedwetting is treatable. So if you are getting a multiple times at night, see your urologist. At the Coquelin Hospital, we are there to help you out to take it to the next possible level that you don't get up multiple times at night. The reasons are certain, identified. Nocturnal polyuria is debated and probably dialogued to a level from where we pick it up to the next possible level. Thank you so much.